1, 2, between, behind. So guys, meron rin lang sabi niya, coach, paano po matuto ng between, behind? Kasi daw lagi tumatama sa paa yung between the legs and behind the back niya. Ang nangyayari sa'yo, idol, kaya ka nagkakamali kasi hindi ka pa sanay, no? Kailangan lagi mo siyang ginagawa or araw-araw mo siyang ginagawa. Kung nagkakamali ka dahil sa technique, ito, gawin mo tong tip na to para mag-improve yung problema mo. So, mangyayari kasi, idol, no? Pag nag-between the legs ka, kailangan dito sa gitna. Hindi pwede dito sa malapit kasi tatama talaga yan, no? So, dapat sa gitna, yung pag between the legs mo. And then, pag behind the back mo, nasa likod. Okay? Sa likod ng puwet mo. Okay? So, yan. Ito muna yung progression niya, no? So, one dribble between the legs. One dribble behind the back. One dribble between the legs. One dribble behind the back. Then, after naman nun, itry mo naman na 2 dribbles ka mauna. 1, 2, between, behind. 1, 2, between, behind. Okay? And then, after naman masanay, 1 dribble naman. 1 dribble between, behind. 1 dribble. Okay, so ito yung mga progression niya. And then after mo naman, nasanay ka na, between behind ka naman, tuloy-tuloy. Okay? So yun, idol, no? Sana meron ka natutunan and gawin mo yun, tip na yun, para mag-improve yung between the legs behind the back mo. Tatandaan mo, repetition lang yung kulang sa'yo. Gawin mo lang ng gawin at the